Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to react on someone's Facebook Reels. Let's start. At first you have to open the Facebook app, and in here go to the menu bar and then scroll down and tap on Reels, and in here just tap on the like button for a while, and in here you guys can see the reactions, and then tap on the reaction that you want to react. In that way you guys can react on someone's Facebook reel. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.